Hello, good day everyone. I'm Tefs. Welcome to this channel. Today's repair is an LG 32 inches LED TV, model 32LS3450. Not turning on and no standby light indicator. I'll show you how to fix it. If you are new to this channel and you found it interesting, so you should like the videos and subscribe to this channel. You can also ring the notification bell to keep you updated. So let's get started. Let's plug the TV in. The main IC is very hot, and as you can see there is a hole in it. Which is considered as a motherboard issue. Luckily I still have this motherboard, which I have recently had a video of it, and changed the motherboard with a universal TV board. This board is working but has an issue with the tuner. Let's connect it and try if still works. It is still working. What we have to do now is remove the tuner and put it into the working board. The tuner is finally removed. Now let's solder it to the working board. Some of the traces were damaged due to removing and resoldering the tuner frequently, so I solder a wire to complete the connection. Now let's try it. The image is upside down. Let's try if we have a signal. There is a raster but not picking up any signal. Let's try to swap the EEPROM, and somehow fix the upside down image and the signal. Let's try it now. The image is still upside down. And no signal was found. There is another EEPROM. This is a 24C EEPROM. Let's try also to swap it. The TV now is in standby mode. Let's turn it on. The image now is corrected. But still, no signal was found. Maybe the tuner is damaged or there is a problem with the analog IF system. That is the problem with it in the first place, and that is not an easy task to work with. But the customer is not using the tuner anyway. He will use the HDMI input.
A few moments later.
The TV now is working with the HDMI input. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed my video. You can help this channel by liking the video and subscribing to it. You can also hit the notification bell to keep you updated. Once again, I'm Tefs. See you again next time. Bye for now.